Hello, and welcome everybody to Puerto Rico Home Matchmakers. Here we have a home in the town of Humacao. This is my personal purchase, my personal acquisition for myself and for my wife. And we're undertaking a little rental. Let's see how far and how good that goes. But yeah, it's a lovely piece of land. It's already got tons of vegetation, which is good for me. I don't have to start planting any of them. It's got a nice wide entrance, by the way. And fruit trees right up front. That's a big old mango tree, everybody. Yeah, we got plenty of land going up way yonder, going up that entire hill and beyond. So this is the front view of our little castle. Let's see what it all entails and where it's gonna take us. As you all can tell, that window there has been newly renovated. We put it there. They had taken the windows out. We decided to put back windows in there. Help out better with the circulation of the air. It is beautiful up here. No matter how hot, moist, humid, we always have a good amount of breeze through here. So this is our, I guess you want to call it a 3-car or possibly a 4-car pull-up carport. And let's take a look inside. So in here, don't mind that because that's part of the stuff that's getting renovated. This actual gem has an apartment downstairs. When we first came in, we had no idea, and we were pleasantly surprised. It's a nice size little renoed apartment. We can fit a dining room as well as a good size or a decent size living room set. We have over here what is going to be the commencement of the kitchen. Part of the cabinetry is already here. We're well on our way into getting it all organized. Now, we have a decent sized little bedroom. Right now it's just full of tools and stuff. Obviously, we're going through all the reno. But this room here can absolutely fit a full size or a twin size or even a bunk bed. We don't know yet where we're gonna take it, if we're gonna decide to rent it out, or we may just decide to, after we fix it, to just have it here for whenever we have friends and family to come over, they can have a place to crash. We are also coming in here towards the window. Unfortunately, there's no light over here yet. We're still working on that. We just placed in a brand new window in there. We're trying to work with what we got. We don't want to put too much into it. We're gonna definitely make it look decent. But this is obviously the beginnings of the entire project. This here is the main room for the downstairs apartment. There's a bed that we're getting, absolutely the mattress is getting tossed out. But this fits a king size bed in here very easily, very easily. Interestingly enough, this lot here is 1.75 acres. This is absolutely a blessing. To be able to buy a land or a piece of property in Puerto Rico fully vested in vegetation. There's banana trees, there's mango trees, there's breadfruit growing, avocados up front. It's just tons of stuff growing on here. We have been so blessed. The Lord has been so good to us. This is the kind of land that you guys can purchase out here in Puerto Rico. comparatively speaking, this property with this dwelling anywhere stateside, you're looking well into the 500,000s. Easy, as is. We have these very nice, wide, and comfortable steps coming up. Has an easy landing, so those who have a little issue could take a deep breath. But yeah, well, in that window, in the future, what the plan is, we are actually going to open up a French door, and this whole area is going to get extended out so we could have a patio, so we could enjoy our mornings, coffee, and listen to nature, I should say, and enjoy the view, man. Just enjoy the peace, the quiet, the serenity. That has no value, bro. That's incalculable, the amount of peace that you can experience out here right now. So as you come on up to the second floor, this is the main dwelling. So this is the main entrance. This is the area of the living room. The dining room, it's pretty big, the house. It has plenty of, I guess you want to call it open areas, so that you could get plenty of air, plenty of windows, plenty of sunlight, natural. That's worth every cent. We just had the kitchen installed. We're still waiting on some other parts to come in. But yeah, it's coming along, guys. This again is another view of the kitchen. We still have some stuff that has to be placed up, but we're working on it. God is good. This is all a blessing. This is all a blessing. That's, we don't know what we're going to call that. I guess we want to call that the towel room, I guess you want to call it. Linen closet. This is a bathroom. This is already pretty much renoed. We're working on the rest of the house, but this is the bathroom, the guest bathroom that we already have set and ready to go. Now, as you walk down the hallway, immediately past the bathroom is the first bedroom. Again, it's a decent sized bedroom, easily fit a queen size bed in here, you know. Again, the air that, you know, you feel up here, the breeze, it is absolutely amazing. Still a work in progress, guys, but this is another bedroom. Those old windows are going to be replaced. We actually have them right here. So we're trying to add the right value to the home. We don't want to go over the top. We just wanted to make it look or feel homey. And as we leave the second bedroom of the smaller ones, we come in to the what would be called the main bedroom. Now this room, without a doubt, is an extremely huge bedroom. I don't know if the video is doing it any justice, but it is absolutely huge. We have here a walk-in closet, which I was already informed from day one. This is a no-go zone for me. It's been already claimed. So I guess I gotta figure out something for myself. And then we step on to the ensuite. Now here on the ensuite, it's absolutely not finished. It's still a rough work in progress, but we are making headway. All of this vanity, toilet, and the bidet is gone. We don't want that in here. We're actually gonna make room to do a double vanity. The toilet, we're gonna move it over, and we're gonna be tiling up the entire bathroom. Don't know if we're gonna keep this floor. I may tile over it, but it all depends, you know? Let's see how it all plays out with the overall aspect and look of the bathroom as we progress. One of the things that my wife loves the most about this house is this somewhat wraparound. It's a 3/4 wraparound balcony. It is absolutely amazing. This is one of the things I've always had on one of my checklists, to have something similar to this. I'm eventually going to wind up making it go all the way around. Let's see how that works. But it is an amazing, amazing piece of property. Again, everything through the grace of God. So some of you might be thinking, okay, so where you do your laundry? Well, here it is, guys. This is a laundry. The washer and dryer are gonna be there. We already have a little sink already set up. It's just a matter of us getting it all sorted out and making it look the way it needs to look. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed our little stroll around the neighborhood, so to speak. It feels like a neighborhood when you start walking around this property. But yes, this has all been through God's grace, God's mercy, and we're very blessed to be able to share this with you. And we hope you guys subscribe, like, and share, and follow along with us in our little journey on this reno. And let's see how it goes. Remember, guys, living in Puerto Rico is not what everybody thought it was back in the day. We are in the midst of a different type, I guess you want to call it, revolution as far as property values here. Property values are absolutely outstanding. There are absolutely tons and tons of opportunities out there that we're going to be able to show you guys. And again, I just hope you guys are able to join us and follow along with us, man. Let's see how this goes. This is one of the biggest undertakings that I have personally taken upon, but you know what? God is good, and God is going to be able to bless us and hopefully be able to help us be blessed enough where we can show you how we progress and give you ideas for when you decide to move down to Puerto Rico. Just give us a call. Key to Key Group. We're here to serve.